Hi guys, this is a Wolf trying to make some pre-market pips right here. I had a long somewhere here, I don't remember. It seems to go pretty well right now. I mean, it's about 20 pips and seems to have more room on the upside. I will set take profit somewhere here maybe. You see, we're ranging really hard here. I mean, it's about there are 4-hour candle formation here, which are like 2, 4, 6, 8, almost 10 candlesticks are ranging between 300 and 400. So we have to make some decisions. Markets will make some decisions there. I hope they do make them while the market is open so we can trade with them, unless they want to make them at night, so it will be impossible to follow them. Our goal in scalping is always to make some pips profit, even one pip per day, so we can preserve our account. It's very, very important for you to understand that you need money to trade the next day. So don't lose them all in one day. You know, you have to set some boundaries and say my stop loss daily will be like 10% of my account or 20, or a specific amount like 300 or $200. But usually you need to speak with in terms of percentage, no matter your account. So try to do that and to be disciplined in order to be successful, because you know not all trades can be successful. So you need to wait and take 5 trades and maybe win 2 of them, but win big there. So that's the important thing. You may lose 10 trades of 5 pips, but we can win 2 of 100 pips. So it doesn't matter the hit ratio there, but it matters the amount of pips you take if we sum up all together. I think they're trying to run this pre-market. I mean, we have like half an hour before the opening of the Wall Street, so it is very important for me to set a take profit, because I expect something violent to happen. So I need this, at least this trade. Maybe I should take profit at 340 here or 335, so I can justify this video to you. GG Robot is giving some nice signals, continuing giving some nice signals. I've seen that I only need volatility in order to be successful with my signals. So after the opening, we have to ask ourselves 2 simple questions. What is the amount of the pips, the average amount of pips in every candlestick? And if it is below 4 pips or 5 pips, you know it's not a very good day. And the second question you have to ask yourself, is this thing here moving? Now I see that it's not moving. You see how much time it stays in one price. It's 47 to 50, and we almost 20 seconds right there. So these days, you know, it is not moving, so you don't have great expectations. You lower your lot size, you lower everything, and even you try to demo accounts in order not to lose your real money there. So ask yourself what these 2 simple questions, and then if you answer yes, that both of them are moving and both candles are above 5 pips per body, then you know it is a nice day to trend and you will have opportunities. And why we need movement? We need movement because, as we told before, many times we lose a trade. So we need movement in order to take back what we lost. If there is no movement at all, how can we take the loss? You see what I mean? It's very crucial and important for you to understand the difference there. Okay, it is spiking. Let me see where. I think I put to 40. I won't let it under 340. I'll take the profit. Okay, 350. I have a signal for long signal here. Maybe I'll wait a little bit. But overall, my signals are short in EuroUsD, so that's why you see I'm hesitating every long there. I know at some point this can explode to the downtrend, so be really careful there. So 50 still is moving. You know, I've seen you have these days I saw, but I didn't trade. This is the first day I took the decision of trading pre-market because the spread is too high. But nevertheless, I see there's a great movement in the pre-market, and when the market opens, boom, nothing is moving at all. So today I decided to take a trade before the opening of the markets. 54 is a really great start here. 27, 50. That's 23 pips there, guys. So yeah, I see there's a kind of resistance here that may hit. Try not to exit very early because I know that it can come back down very deep at 330 and take all the profit, or it may continue even higher. So I'll be very cautious of where to put my stop losses and everything. Now I'm trying something new. Today I'll try with the trader. I have a nice EA here. It's an expert advisor. I will be the signal provider and he will be the one that will take the signals. So copying trades a very nice opportunity. If there are other people that want to follow you, they don't want to talk with you or listen to you, but they do want to follow what you're doing and take the exact trades that you take. So with this signal provider, if this works, I haven't tried it yet, but if this works, it will be a nice opportunity for many people to follow me or anyone they like. It's not something new. I know there are too many signal copier softwares out there, so it is a nice opportunity for you to share your trades if you like to win with other people too. Let me see here. As I told you, we need to be really cautious about where to set our take profit. Kind of pinning here 5 minutes, but unless it closes, I won't take any action yet. Yeah, you see here we hit exactly our support resistance I had drawn last night. Sometimes you need to pay attention to those, but other times you know that they break very easily and cause you some loss there. Sometimes if you're a support resistant player and you don't see anything else, it can lead to quite big losses because you believe the strength of the support. The market makers want you to believe the strength of the support and the strength of the support, so You take it blindly without watching any other indicator or time frames, and then boom, you see your account blown up. So that's why we needed at some point to create GG robots in order to uh, take a glance at a multi-time frame level and then decide to give some signals about going long or short. We need, a super glance of all of what happened there. We're still running in the uptrend. Let's see. I'm almost at the 24 pips right now profit, but you see, that's a 50 there. It's broken. I don't like it. And let me see. I'm about to close this, guys. I know it will and can explode the uptrend, but I also expect this thing to draw down, to come down. You see? Okay, I'm taking this one. Yep. I took, let me see, 27, 45, 44, 45, so that's 17, 18 pips there, okay? Almost 20 pips. That was a nice start in Wall Street before it even opens. That's great. Be ready for anything. I'm waiting here for my big short. Let's see if it can work. I need a nice spot to enter, you see. We had a retracement, boom. Again up, so I know it threw me out, but still I will wait and re-enter if I have to. Oh yeah, yeah.
46 pips is really good.
Yeah, 46 pips, and I put the take profit at 70 here. Yeah, no signal yet, but I think they will go 66, 67. Okay, 67. Okay, 70. Yeah, I'm almost 70 there. I need to think really hard. I still believe that we need to go to the 200 or even extend it to 180, 186, somewhere there. So they have 1.5 hours. I'm not sure if they will. The question is whether they try to go a little bit higher now or go down then come up.
Yeah.
68. Okay, it's close to my take profits there. Let's see. Okay. Oh, not okay.
It's coming against you a little bit.
Yeah, it feels like that. So I will. Yeah, but the 70 is keeping. So the euro looks weaker, though. We left there, but how could we know that?
Yeah.
I had an exit, so doesn't matter. It looks like an stop loss hunter there, so I'll be very
with Euro. Yeah.
okay. Come on, Wally, make a movement. Go to 270 so I can close.
Have you ever tried to trade with sell limit and stop orders? You know, like automatic, like
no. What exactly do you mean by sell limits and stop orders?
I mean,
because this system is kind of based on your beliefs. Because when you sell,
yes,
put a stop order or a sell order, it is like you say, okay, I feel today that the euro, like the one I felt this morning, I feel that the euro is going to go down. And then you mean leaving the computer?
No. You put like an entry at a certain level. You say, okay, if it reaches this point and if the price is going down, I want to go short. You know?
Okay,
you said take profit and stop loss and you just walk away. Basically, you let it go on its own.
Yeah, I've done that. I've done that in the past, and I did that today. I told you today I did a kind of that thing, and but it stopped it too many times. So I stopped it, and I said, okay, I will stop manual trading. I will put my bot back again.
Yeah.
I try to do that. I know what you mean, but sometimes you know you have to put very wide stop losses in order not to. Okay, I'm out here. Okay, I took my 36 pips. Don't care. Yeah, I closed that. So it's very difficult because they can stop you out or it can close, and many people have said, okay, I was in and something happened like you previously. Who closed it and why it closed and blah 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 and stuff like that. But it is great on which it's great in the timing. I mean, you don't have to stay all day long on the charts, watching the charts every day. So you live and you say, okay, if it goes, okay, if it doesn't matter. Why do you ask that though?
No, because I've never done it, and I would like to know if you have an experience. I've only done it once. I said like, okay, EuroUSD, if it reaches this point, I want to buy. You know? And I put my stop loss and I put my take profit and I let it. And at some point while I was working, it opened that position and it hit my stop loss. It didn't work.
You see?
It didn't work.
Yeah, it's kind of difficult. I did it today. You know, I saw that 500 pips down. I'm not sure. You know why I closed it? Because I opened the charts again. Instead, I should have put that 4-hour time frame chart there and say, okay, I'm just going to watch this one and nothing else. That would be a wise thing to do, but I didn't do it. So when you're trading like this, I think you need to be at least above 1 hour time frame, at least.
Yes.
Because this is of course, you have to buy close to support and resistance. You have to put your stop loss very close. It's very difficult because, you know, for example, today if you said, okay, if we go at 300 level, I will buy in Wall Street, and at 280 I will put a stop loss. Okay, it didn't work. It went at that level, which is assumed as support or whatever, and you see what it did. You see my point?
Yeah, I understand what you mean. Yeah,
so you need to have something else, another strategy there in order to. I think swing traders do that.
Yes.
Swing traders do that. They see a nice spot there to enter. They look like a pattern, or I don't know what. Let's say I go, okay, I'm entering there.
Yeah. That's what swing traders do. Yes. But I mean, obviously, you have to look at the wider picture. You have to look at the big picture and daily charts.
Yeah, but still, you know, I've seen many pinnable. Did you see the pin today in DAX?
Yeah.
Germany. Did you see that?
At what time frame?
In the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. What pin?
The green one.
The red one.
Uh-huh.
It's three candlesticks previously.
Okay, but that's a big bar. It's not a pin. It's a big bar.
I have a pin there.
That's the thing. We have different time frames, my friend.
Go to 4 hour time frame in Germany.
Yeah, but my time frame, my 4 hour candles closed was, I mean, you have a closure at 8, right?
I think.
I have a closure of the 4 hour chart at 8 too, but that is 2 hours after than you.
Okay.
Basically, on 4 hours, we don't see the same chart.
This is 9 hours, so this is your 7 o'clock.
Yeah, but I don't have a closure of a 4 hour candle.
Okay.
I have it at 8, which is at 12 at 11 for you, or 10 for you.
So this is crazy.
Yeah, we don't have the same charts on 4 hours. We have the same chart on 1 hour, half an hour, 15 minutes. Yes.
Ah, I see. Okay,
So
this is getting weaker now, and I'm saying why I get out. So, let me see. Okay, I open another one here. 51, 50. Come on.
Are you opening another short now?
No, I opened previously, very faster when I saw it.
Okay.
46, 45, yep.
Come on.
Come on, we're going for 200. Come on. It will retrace though.
Yes, it has to.
It has to retrace though.
Now. Yeah.
Wait, don't do it too much. Oh, please. Don't come to my. I closed the one with 10, 11 pips there, so.
Good.
Maybe you should take some profit there. Let's see. But you know why they came so down in order to retrace? I think we're going to see the 200 again.
Yeah. Easy, I think it could. Like, it's gonna take a while, but.
Yeah, it's gonna take a while. I'm just thinking about if they want to retrace badly. I mean, if they want to go heavily to a 280 now.
I think they're gonna do the stairs. You know, the stairs when they go down and then, you know.
Yeah, but we'll change.
Now they're gonna do probably 50, 20, 25 minutes of little candles again, and then on the drop, you know.
Wow, the stairs. I think we saw that yesterday, or no?
Yeah, we saw it yesterday. Yes, but
that stairs are very wild. I mean, they could easily drop the other way here, right? Let's see. Okay. I'm 66, 50, almost 16 pips there. 14, 16 pips.